Fashion companies are not hiring you for your creativity. They're not hiring you for your passion, and they're definitely not hiring you because of your love for fashion. They're hiring you for one thing. Can you solve problems for their business immediately? In this video, I'm going to show you what fashion employers actually look for when they're reviewing your portfolio and your resume and your work. I'm going to go over 6 items. I have worked in the industry and I've seen hiring decisions happen. And I've watched talented designers get rejected. Not because they weren't good enough, but they didn't understand what companies are looking for. So let's break down the reality. When a company is hiring a junior designer or an assistant, they're not looking for the most artistic person. They're asking, can this person support the team? Can they work within a brand? Can they handle real production? Can they keep up with deadlines? Because the fashion industry is not art school. Fashion is deadlines and revisions, technical changes, cost constraints, and constant problem solving. If your work only shows creativity, you won't get hired. 1, they look for brand awareness. What does that mean? The first thing an employer looks for is, can you design within a brand? Most portfolios show random projects, right? Different aesthetics, different customers, different styles. That tells a company that this designer has not learned how to think commercially. They want to see consistency, a clear target customer, a point of view. They want to see collections that make sense together. In the real world, you don't design whatever you want. You design for a customer, a specific customer, a price point, and a brand identity. If your portfolio looks like a school assignment, it's a red flag. You're not going to get hired. Number 2, they look for technical thinking. The second thing they're looking for is, do you understand how clothes are actually made? This includes flats or technical drawings, construction awareness, as in pattern making, draping, fabric choices, which includes color, details that make sense, production thinking. Here's the truth. A beautiful sketch means nothing if it can't be produced. Employers want to see that you're not just designing ideas. You're designing products. When they see clean flats, technical callouts, logical construction, they think, okay, this person can work with production. That is hireable. Number 3, they look for problem solvers. This is a big one. Employers are asking, if something goes wrong, can you figure it out? Because let me tell you something, in the fashion industry, things always go wrong. The fabric doesn't get there on time. The costs go too high. The samples don't fit. Deadlines move up. Designers who survive are not the most creative. They are the most adaptable. Your portfolio should show process, development, decision-making, not just final images. Show how you think. Because companies don't hire designers, they hire decision makers. Number 4, they look for professional signals. Before they even look at your work, they notice, is your portfolio organized? Is it clean? Is it easy to understand? Is your resume clear? Do you communicate professionally? This matters more than people think, because employers are asking, will this person be easy to work with? Fashion is a team environment. If your presentation feels messy, confusing, or unfinished, they assume your work habits are the same. Professional presentation equals professional mindset. Number 5, The biggest mistake designers make. Here's the mistakes I see all the time. Designers focus on being unique, being artistic, being different. And all this is true. And yes, you should develop your own voice, your own style. That's true. But you also have to focus on being useful. The designers who get hired are the ones who show, quote, I understand your business, I understand your customer, and I can contribute right away, unquote. That's what employers are looking for. Number 6, expansion, mindset shift. If you want to get hired in the fashion industry, your mindset has to change. Stop thinking, how can I express myself? And start thinking, how can I create value? Because the moment your work shows brand thinking, technical thinking, commercial thinking, you stop looking like a student and you start looking like a professional. This is exactly what I talk about in my book, Design Your Future. Be a future designer. It's not just about creativity. It's about how to think like a professional, how to build the right skills, and how to position yourself for a real career in the fashion industry. If you're serious about the industry, well, this mindset shift is really important. It's really about helping you think long terms and to stay focused and build a path that actually leads somewhere. If you're interested, you can check it out. I'll include the information below. And if you're serious about becoming a fashion designer and you want real guidance and how to build your skills, your portfolio, your career, I created Fashion Premier Academy to do exactly that. You can start with the free mini course where I walk you through the fundamentals that you need to build real industry-ready skills. The link is below. And if this video helped you to see the industry more clearly, please subscribe, because here we don't just talk about fashion. We talk about how to build a real future in it. I'll see you in class. Start designing your life like a work of art. And a work of art takes time. So don't give up. Hang in there. I will see you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.